welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have an updated what's in my bag for the fall time. I'm so excited to film this for you guys. What's in my bag videos are some of my favorite videos to film. You guys really like them as well. I think we're all a little nosy to see what is in each other's bags. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I make beauty, lifestyle, hair videos 2 times a week, Tuesdays and Sundays. And I hope that you would subscribe and make sure to hit that bell next to the subscribe button because it will notify you every time I upload. And while you're down there, make sure to hit that like button because it lets me know what type of videos you guys like to see. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the what's in my bag. So this bag here is from TJ Maxx. I get pretty much all of my bags from TJ Maxx, and this bag caught my eye because I have been looking for a structured, small black bag like this for so long. A lot of the black bags that I have are kind of slouchy. They're bigger than this. I just needed something tiny that could hold all my stuff that wasn't too big but structured, and this was just the perfect thing. This was $30 at my TJ Maxx. I picked it up just a few days ago, so you probably will be able to find it. The brand is, I'm not sure what it says here. Miztique. I'll show you guys inside once I open up my bag and everything. But I love the gold hardware on this. I am personally a gold jewelry type of girl. The only 2 things that I wear that are silver are my rings, but most of my earrings, necklaces, bracelets, all that type of stuff is gold. So this goes with me perfectly. I love the size. It is not too big. It is the perfect, like, everyday bag. Honestly, I absolutely love it. It was $30 and it was great. The only thing I wish it had was like an outside pocket, either like on this side or the back side, just so I could slip my phone and my keys into it. But other than that, this bag is absolutely perfect for me every day. And I'm currently eating Sour Patch Kids, so I'm hungry, guys. So anyway, moving on to the bag. This is what it looks like inside. Honestly, a hot mess for me. There are 1 zipper pocket and then 2 little pockets in the front, like most standard bags have. I'm like out of breath, guys. In the little zipper pocket, all I have is these Icebreakers Cool Blast 24 Peppermint Chews. These are what these look like. I'm not obsessed with these. These are like okay. I just picked these up because I needed like a mint kind of. I didn't want necessarily gum all the time, but they're okay. They're not my favorite, but they're alright. And also in this pocket, all I have is some lip products. This is the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It makes my lips look so good and so plump. And then I have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amazonian. This combo together has been my go-to nude lip combo, like every day. If you see me on Instagram or anything, this is probably my lip combo. I've been obsessed with it. I also have some Blistex because I'm obsessed with chapstick. I hate for my lips to be dry. It literally drives me insane. In the bottom, going along with that chapstick, I have the Burt's Bees Mango lip balm. I like this better than Blistex. I feel like this is just more moisturizing. So I'm gonna pop some of that on. I also have the Coconut and Pear one, which smells so good. So that is all that's in that little zipper pocket right here. I can't show you guys the name because it's like super. I'll have it written down below if you guys are interested in what the bag's name is. I have, of course, my Key sunglasses. These have been in every pretty much what's in my bag on my channel since I got these. These are my favorite sunglasses. These are the High Key Fades by Desi and Key Australia. I picked these up at Nordstrom. I have the gold one as well. I really want the army green ones. Guys, tell me not to do it. I just really want the army green ones. I feel like they will just go with my vibe so well. But tell me not to do it, guys. I can't be spending $60 on sunglasses. I already have 2. Do I really need another? say yes. So next up I have my wallet. This is one of my favorite wallets. I actually received this for my birthday from my boss, and it is one of my favorites. It is Kate Spade. I love the color. I love pink. I love like this like fuchsia hot pink. I'm not a fan of like this baby pink that I have in my nails. Ignore my nails. I need a fill. I know. But I just have receipts, some cash, my cards. My wallet's always a hot mess, honestly. It's just a perfect example of my life, honestly. Truly. So, moving on deeper, I do have a pack of gum. This is the Orbit Winter Mint, I believe is what it's called. I like this one as well as the Sweet Mint. The Sweet Mint isn't great like if you want to like freshen your breath, but it tastes really good. I also have some wipes in here. I just love having wipes for when I go to the bathroom or if I have something on my pants or my shirt, because I spill things on myself all the time, guys. I am very accident prone. I fall, I trip, I drop things on myself all the time. Like, that is just my life. I've come to accept it. These are just the Can Do flushable cleansing wipes. So if you go to the bathroom, you can flush them in the toilet. Good to go. I just picked those up at Walmart. Super easy and inexpensive. And then I have my makeup bag, and this is a bag just from Ipsy. I think this was also in my last What's in My Bag, but in here I just have a little mini deodorant. This is the Degree Dry Protection Shower Clean. I can't tell you guys how often I forget to put on deodorant. Like, I do it pretty often for someone who loves to smell good. I don't know why I forget to put on deodorant so often. But anyway, I also have this hand cream here. This is my favorite scent from Bodycology. This is from Walmart. This is the Coconut Hibiscus Shea Butter Hand Cream. This makes your hands so soft. Like, I sounded really New York. This makes your hands so soft. This makes your hands so soft, and it just smells so good. I don't even need to spray perfume if I use this hand cream because it smells that good. But I picked this up at Walmart. I love the whole line from Bodycology. I also have some lash glue. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I picked this up at Walmart. It's like $3. It is my favorite lash glue. It's the lash glue that I'm actually wearing with these lashes right now. If you guys are wondering what lashes I'm wearing, these are the Kiss Salon Perfect number 614s. They are like so long and so fluffy. They look like eyelash extensions, and they are my favorite lash to just like pop on with like a no makeup look. They're so good, so good. I also have this Maybelline Dream Wonder Powder. Mine is completely cracked. I have to get a new one. Mine is in the shade Sun Beige, I believe. Yeah, Sun Beige. Mine is all cracked, so I'm actually going to keep this out of my bag. But I usually only have powder in my bag during the summer because I get super oily. So I also have the Coconut and Hibiscus Body... I just hit myself in the face. I told you guys, I'm clumsy. The Coconut and Hibiscus Fragrance Mist. I have a little baby size because I just love smelling good. I spray this all the time right before I like go into a store or something, and I just want to smell good or to just freshen up throughout the day. I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Guys, this lip gloss is the best lip gloss you will ever buy. I really want the silver one as well. Did you guys see the new one that she came out with, the brown color? I need it, guys. Tell me I don't need it. I also have a little wet brush in here. These are my favorite brushes for my hair, especially when I'm out and about, because this is great for if I have extensions or if I just have my natural hair. I love this brush. It's so tiny and compact, and it's pink. Matches my wallet. Matches the bag. It's just so cute. I also have another lip gloss. This is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Tres Leche. I love the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. I'm not going to put more gloss on because I already have on the Fenty Gloss Bomb. But I love this lip gloss. Not as much as I love the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one and the Fenty Gloss are my favorite glosses ever. I do have a lot of hair as well. I have a lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Lip Liner in the shade Bear to Comment. This is my favorite lip liner. I pretty much use this in like all of my tutorials because it's just like the perfect color if you want to do like a really nude lip, if you want to do kind of like a berry lip and just outline your lips and blend it out. It's my go-to liner. It's so freaking good. I also have a little mini mascara. This is the Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. Sometimes when I'm out and I have no makeup on, one of my friends will text me and be like, hey, you want to go get lunch? You want to go get drinks? I'm like, I have no makeup on right now, so let me just put on some mascara. I should put a lash curler in here because my lashes are so, like, limpy. Speaking of applying some makeup like during the day, I also have a brow pencil because I can't go anywhere without brows. That's not true. I go plenty of places without my brows. But like out, you know, like to a restaurant, something like that, I like to have brows on, you know, because if I take a picture, it looks like I have no brows. I also have a nail file in here just because I do have not pretty long nails. I have long nails pretty much. Not long nails. I have nails and like I do get gel. So it can sometimes get snagged or like crack. And I just want to make sure that, you know, everything is nice and proportioned because you never want your nails to snag on anything because that is the worst feeling in the world, having them like snag on your sweater or whatever. It's just not a really good time to be alive, honestly. I'm going to put this Blistex in here because I don't really like to use Blistex that much. Much more of the Burt's Bees gal. I have my phone charger in here. I get all of my chargers from Five Below. I just feel like they're so much cheaper, even though like they do kind of crap out on you pretty often. I don't really care because it's $5. I can get that $5 back easy, you know, whatever. So I love getting my chargers from there. So I always have a phone charger in my bag no matter where I go. I just get super anxious not having my phone on me because I don't know, people are crazy. I don't know what they're up to. So I also have my keys in here in one of the little pockets. I do go to Penn State if you guys didn't know. So there's that. I just have my keys in there. And then I have a facial mist. This is just coconut water spray that I got from TJ Maxx. Just to freshen up throughout the day. I need to refill it. I'm almost out actually. But I just like to have this because sometimes my face is feeling a little dry. Needs a little hydration. And this is perfect. I also have a hand sanitizer. This is just from Rite Aid. I don't know. It has moisturizing formula with vitamin E. Kills germs. Whenever I'm like out to eat or something, I always use that just to keep it fresh, you know. So yeah, that is all that is in my bag, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy. I of course always have my phone, but since I was, you know, filming, I had my phone out. I was listening to music. So that's that. That's really all that's in my bag. This bag is pretty clean because I just started using it pretty recently, just a couple days ago. And yeah, that's all I have in my bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed what was in my bag. Let me know what's in your bag. Am I missing something? Like, what is your staple that you carry in your bag that, like, you can't tell nobody nothing, like, it has to be in your bag? I feel like with me, it has to be chapstick because my lips get super dry throughout the day and I hate that feeling of dry lips. So let me know your staple in your bag. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.